What's up, good people? It's your boy Leander Liventroda. Welcome to another episode of Everyday Youth Heroes of Chabalala. So namhlanje I'm with one of the heroes. Let me allow her to introduce herself. Yabona. Sisters, tell me something. Who are you?
Hello everyone, my name is Nontokozo Eli Piri. Abaningi bangazi Coach Piri. I'm a coach here at Ndlovu Club. I coach our grassroots levels. I've got under 13, under 12, under 10 and girls soccer.
Tell me something, what made you start this work personally? You know when I already look.
Alright, as a person who's living in Chabalala, I realized kulabantwana abaningi who are just on the streets idle and khonokho kungabi lento yokuyenza khona bayenza ukuthi bebe lento ezingasizo. So I was like, you know what, we can, bring these kids together through sport to do something for themselves.
Okay, so what are you contributing to the community of Chabalala?
Well, what I've seen in the program there's talent among these kids. So basically, you know how not every child is good in education or academic stuff, right?
Yeah.
So we are also helping those kids through sport, right? Baz express through sport, and they can make a living for themselves through that. Also, as a community, we have lessened rates of abantwana who are using drugs and alcohol.
Okay. I was a sister. So for another ghetto youth opandle ngale, which message namhlanje?
Volunteer in every youth center that is around you. Volunteer, get involved in youth activities. Hlangane labanye bakho. Make sure you are involved in these activities. Activities that you can do. It's not just because I'm coaching soccer, I'm saying get involved in soccer. There is drama, there is lots of sports. Just try and find out from your local youth center.
Thank you, Bafethu. See you next time.